Hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about political science paper 1 MCQs of CSS 2003. So the first one is the writer of Social Contract and the Islamic State is option A Ilyas Ahmad. Who is the author of Politics in Pakistan, The Nature and Direction of Change? So, option A Khalid Saeed, the famous writer who have written ample books for CSS. करारदाद मकासद से इस्लामी कानून तक, a famous book, is written by Hafizur Rahman, option A. George S. Sabin is the author of A History of Political Theory. So, option A. Plato is the author of Republic. Option A. And the idea that virtue is knowledge is attributed to option D. None of these. Political science begins and ends with the state is said by Professor Garner, option B, and the study of God is the work of St. Augustine, option B. The ideas of Aristotle are more acceptable to the West than Plato because he propagated rule of law. So option A, and he is known as the founding father of utilitarianism. So option B, Jeremy Bentham. So what is the meaning of utilitarianism philosophy? It's mean that the betterment of society as a whole. Utilitarianism would say that an action is right if it results in the happiness of the greatest number of people in a society or group. So, utilitarianism deals for the betterment of society as a whole, for the general interest of whole community, public good for all. Ahyaul Ulum is the work of Al-Ghazali, a famous Muslim philosopher, option C, and he is famous for his work Muqaddimah. So option C, Ibn Khaldun. This MCQs has been asked ample time in previous CSS examinations. And the Bolshevik movement in Russia was led by Lenin, option C. The Russian Revolution or Bolshevik Revolution was a period of political and social revolution that took place in the former Russian Empire or Soviet Union, began during the First World War, and this period saw Russia abolish its monarchy and adopt a socialist form of government following two successive revolutions and a bloody civil war, and it started on 8 March 1917 till 16 June 1923, and he is known as the major theorist of bureaucracy. So option C, Max Weber. He also called the founding father of modern bureaucracy. And collective responsibility is a feature of parliamentary form of government. So parliamentary system is basically a democratic form of government in which the party or coalition of parties with the greatest representation in the parliament or in assembly form the government. Its leader become prime minister or chancellor, just like in Germany. And in case of Pakistan, so there is prime minister or premier. and decentralization is a feature of federal form of government. So option A. And dictatorship of the proletariat is one of the concept of Karl Marx. So option A. And general will is the political concept of J. Rousseau. So in political philosophy, the general will is the will of the people as a whole. The term was made famous by 18th century philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau. And Leviathan is a famous book written by Thomas Hobbes. So Leviathan argued that civil peace and social unity are best achieved by the establishment of a commonwealth through social contract. So it is a famous book, and this MCQ has also been asked in various examinations of FPSC. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Please like and subscribe Dawn Times. Thank you.